Hi, my name is Cynthia Bandy. I am the install coordinator for the HVAC and sewer departments here at Peterman, and I've been here about just a little over 2 years. I currently have formed a company called Boogie Down Bitez. Boogie Down Bitez meaning I'm from New York and the Bronx is called the Boogie Down. So I have started selling lunches here at Peterman as a kickoff to kind of launch my food business that I'm trying to start, which is going to be basically a food prep business or a small catering company. I've just always had a passion for cooking. When I lived in New York, I started learning how to cook different sorts of foods, Puerto Rican, Dominican. I've gotten into some other Caribbean, Mediterranean foods, Italian foods. Probably the thing people rave about the most are my collard greens and mac and cheese, more of the soul food things. Here at Peterman, I've sold, this past week, I did either a choice of chicken tacos or your standard American tacos with several different side options. I've done large, like gourmet type salads here for lunch. I also did some teriyaki chicken sliders. So I try to come up with a variety of not your normal lunch items. So I had mentioned to Christy Muse, who's my one of my supervisors, several months ago that this is a passion, something that I wanted to do. I've always had a dream of eventually maybe even having a food truck. That was a dream of mine, and she's like, well, just start selling lunches here, and my procrastinating self didn't. So about a month and a half ago, probably, we started a program or a class here called 30 Days to Burn. And within that, Lauren Morgan, who was kind of overseeing or moderating that class, basically pushed me to set a date and come up with a menu by 5 o'clock on a Wednesday to push me to start selling the lunches. And that's kind of what pushed me to finally stop procrastinating and do this. One of the things that held me back was there are so many people on Instagram and Facebook that are selling food or plates of food. They're just all over the place. So I kept saying to myself, everybody's doing it, nobody's gonna wanna buy from me. And then I had seen this example of there are multiple types of bread or multiple brands of toilet paper in the grocery store, and yet they all sell. So there's always a place for you in that, whatever you want to do. Just take that leap of faith and just do it and stop procrastinating. Probably before the end of the year, I am going to start launching it actually out on my Instagram, which is boogie_down_bitez, and that's Bitez at the end of Bitez. So you can follow me at that. It's boogie_down_bitez with a Z. And I'm going to start launching and start selling actually food on the weekends off of my Instagram, as well as try to start promoting catering small events.